Hey guys, Irene Kitty here, and this series of videos is going to be an introduction to the style of Joni Mitchell. Joni is famous for using alternate tunings, which means anything other than E standard. And this creates a very unique, very big sound and different chord voicings that you wouldn't normally hear from a standard tuning. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick one of those tunings and learn some of her favorite chords with it. In fact, this is going to be the open D tuning. Let's find out what that sounds like. Here it is. It's just like an open D major chord. So we're tuning the low E to D. A stays the same. D stays the same. The G goes down to F sharp. And the B goes down to A. And the high E goes to D as well. Now you can either memorize the notes and use the chromatic tuner in the app, or you can simply go for the open D tuning selection in the app tuner and tune just like that. The chord shapes are going to be looking different, as you can assume, and also you can explore the capo option. So this means we've got this open D tuning. We can also use a capo on different frets to just change the pitch and use the same shapes we're going to learn so that they sound higher in another register. Okay, that's what Joni does as well, actually. So you'll see a lot of her songs like Big Yellow Taxi, Cactus Tree, Free Man in Paris, Chelsea Morning, Both Sides Now. These all use open D tuning, but with a capo in different places. So if you listen to studio recordings and check out live performances, you'll see it's varied. A lot of the time she's got the capo on the 2nd fret or in the 4th, 5th, sometimes on the 3rd, and sometimes just without capo, just open D tuning like we're going to be doing in this series of videos. So we're going to start learning some chord shapes with the open D tuning. Then we're going to apply it to some little examples. And by the end of this, you'll be able to play a full song with a backing track that sounds in the style of Joni Mitchell. Let's get to it.